Shrikant. Today in this session we are going to talk about interview questions. I decided to start a session for all the important interview questions. So from this session onward we'll discuss few sessions regarding what are the different kind of interview question which ask in interview for SQL Server developer. Okay, so as this is the first session, so we will talk about the basic things. So first question you can get in the interview is that define RDBMS. So how you will define RDBMS? So RDBMS is stand for Relational Database Management System. You got what exactly relational database management system is? Relational database management system is a system where we will have the relation between the object. So normally there is a primary key, foreign key, and all this kind of relation are there. That entire context is called as the relation, and that kind of the database terminology we call it as a relational database management system, which is used to store the data into the table and which is used to retrieve fast. Okay, next, what is SQL? SQL is stand for structured query language, which is used to perform the CRUD operation, that is create, update, retrieval and the delete, right? So what are the tables? Tables are the combinations of cells. I can say it has column, it has rows, right? So which is used to store the data inside the database. Give the name different type of the joins. We are having different kind of join which is very important. That is, we have inner join, outer join, right? So in outer join we have full outer join, left outer join, right outer join. So these are different joins we have. Explain primary key. How you can explain the primary key, right? So primary key is nothing but uniquely identify a row in a table. So primary key is used to identify a row in a table, right? And which will never have the null value inside that. It means what? It means primary key column will have always the value other than the null. Define normalization. Normalization is something to avoid redundancy and anomalies, right? Let's say we are having the file management system. Previously we was using file management system, right? So in that, what happened, we was maintaining different files. So the data for something will be repeated multiple places, and let's say if the data got modified, that data needs to modify at all other places. Sometime by mistake it was not happening, so we was getting some issues with that, right? So normalization is used to avoid redundancy and anomalies. Okay, what is index? Index is an internal structure which is used to retrieve data fastly. So we are having different kind of indexes inside database server. We'll discuss about that one by one. So basically the index is something to fetch the data fastly. That is the main purpose of index. Hope you like this first video. This is the first video. We just covered some basic question, and later on we will try to